Dirt
groups that
Brother
we're dealing with now.
Music.
Now for a break.
G-double-O-D money. G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money. G-double-O-D money. G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money.
I've been around for a minute though. It's good money, Mr. Tabasco. That nigga with that vintage flow. I like my tennis old, my spinach cold, straight out of the can like Popeye. Y'all niggas are not fly. How your wife eating out of my hand and have a lapping up a white bitch that live in the fan. The West End hoes love it. Got best friends fucking in public. The way they sucking got my shit hard as crutches. The bigger the budget, the more nuggets. It's more Dutchess. Houses, cars, more of them. I love clothes, love puffin' O's. You love cuffin' hoes. That same bitch you fucked the whole rough and roll. You exposed, you wiping her up. My Boosie was wiping her down, I was piping her up. You living the life of a clown, man, silly as fuck. Big wig makeup, clown shoes, you damn fool.
G-double-O-D money. G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money. G-double-O-D money. G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money.
Yo, it's that nigga with the light green eyes who had your so-called queen a light green five. You shouldn't see me in your magazines. No lie, source, double XL vibe as well. To boost my clientele, I'm live as hell. And I'ma keep getting money till I'm cold and pale. Rolling nails, a hobby I've been doing for years. And smoking blunts, drinking beers since Paul Revere. And that was 86, I was like 8 years old. I guess that's why my brains froze, my flow so cold. I crying out of control, the whole real paper. Don't hate us, I'm about to switch to rose gold. Holla at Sean and get my bitches toes froze. But you know they don't get no dough. You know the motto, I never go broke for no hoe. You about to see me float that like that faux dough. Yo.
G-double-O-D money. G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money. G-double-O-D money. G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money.
You'll never catch D-Wayne on the line to serve when I can make a cool meal off of rhyming words, grinding birds and full-length designer furs. Chinchillas, the best things that money can get us. It's them fellas, the Grove niggas. We fuck gold diggers for free. Them bitches don't get no green. By the image, them hoes wanna fuck our team. We authentic, original, smooth criminals. Fuck the interview, nigga, I'm taking the job. And I'm making it hard cause aches involved. So run that shit. Matter of fact, run that bitch so we can switch it up back and forth. Now we're back and sore. We the nigga streets asking for. My man Black cooking raw from El Salvador. Straight pure, I'ma get at least 5 or more off of 1 brick. Next week, the next trip, bitch.
G-double-O-D money. G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money. G-double-O-D money. G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money.
Good money.
G-double-O-D money.